Let's move on to step 4. Here you will use data to decide how you will provide differentiated instruction, practice, or assessment for every learner in your classroom. But first, let's refresh our memories about the difference between supports and modifications. Since we want every student to be immersed in grade level content, what supports can we have in our back pockets to use as on-ramps? Supports are adaptations that amplify instruction. They ensure appropriate on-ramps are in place for student access to grade level content. Modifications oftentimes do the opposite. Modifying a lesson or task can reduce its cognitive demand and can change its aspect of rigor, meaning rather it's intended to be conceptual understanding, procedural skill and fluency, or application. Additionally, modifications can significantly reduce sense-making and reasoning, as well as cause other unintended outcomes. So step 4 was redesigned and repurposed this year. Previously, this page was called the Range of Learners. Now it is called Advancing Student Learning. This step of the planning process provides guidance for addressing unfinished instruction. There are some highlighted big ideas from the topic, suggested teaching points, and resources here. For example, if your data shows that some students are not yet able to use the partial sum strategy or break apart numbers by place in order to add them, then have the students use connecting cubes or base 10 blocks to build the numbers first. Afterwards, they should add the 10s to the 10s and the 1s to the 1s. Lastly, students should combine the 10s and 1s to find the total or sum. In addition, have students draw pictures of their concrete models and write matching equations. Please note that advancing student learning is intended to support every learner, from developing to exemplary mastery, around specific big ideas related to the topic's content. We will continue to add resources to Step 4 of each curriculum planning guide up to 2 weeks before a topic begins. At the end of this video, check out the remainder of Topic 4's Advancing Student Learning. Think about what you would add. Then jot down some additional big ideas and teaching points on your note catcher. You will be asked to discuss this further later in the course, where your notes will come in handy.